Hi all, welcome to video lecture of CE 303 Structural Analysis 2 Slope Deflection Method. So in this video we are discussing about the problem on continuous beam with support settlement. Problem: analyze the continuous beam shown in figure by slope deflection method if the joint B sinks by 10 mm. Given EI is equal to 4000 kN meter square. Draw bending moment diagram. So this is our problem. There is a continuous beam ABC is given. In this AB there is a UDL of 20 kN per meter is acting. The flexural rigidity means the value of EI. Flexural rigidity of AB is given as 2 EI and length of the span of AB is 8 meter. When we consider BC, there is a centrally concentrated load of 80 kN is acting. Flexural rigidity is given as EI and the length of the span is 4 meter. Here given that joint B sinks by 10 mm. Joint B sinks by 10 mm means the joint B is 10 mm joint B is 10 mm below the other supports. Joint B is 10 mm below other supports. So this is the position of joint B, 10 mm below the other support. This is the settlement of support. So here joint B is 10 mm below the support A and C. So this will be our beam, ABC beam. So what will be the change if there is a settlement or support occurs? So first step, we write the general slope deflection equation. MAB is equal to M of AB plus 2 EI by L 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 delta by L. Next, MBA. MBA is equal to M of BA plus 2 EI by L into theta A plus 2 theta B minus 3 delta by L. Then write down all the given data. For span AB, length is 8 meter. W is equal to 20 kN per meter. EI is given as 2 EI. So similarly, span BC, length is equal to 4 meter, W is equal to 80 kN, EI is equal to EI. Then first step, calculation of fixed end moments. Then for span AB, we know that there is UDL of 80 kN, 20 kN meter is 20 kN per meter is acting. Therefore, M of AB is equal to minus WL square by 12. Substitute the values of W and L, we get minus 106.67 kN meter. Similarly, M of BA is equal to plus WL square by 12. So we get 106.67 kN meter. Then span BC, there is a concentrated load is central concentrated load is acting. So M of BC equal to minus WL by 8. So minus 80 into 4 by 8 minus 40. M of CB is equal to WL by 8, that is plus 40 kN meter. Next step is write down all the slope deflection equation. So for span AB, MAB is equal to M of AB plus 2 EI by L into 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 delta by L. Then here the support A is a fixed support, hence the value of theta A equal to 0. We know that slope or rotation of a fixed end equal to 0. Therefore here, since the A support is a fixed end, theta A equal to 0. Also, delta is equal to, delta means the settlement of the support B. What is the difference between support A? When we consider span AB, what is the difference between the support A and B? That is the delta. So when we consider span AB, the support B is settled by an amount delta is equal to 10 mm. If we consider span A and B, the support B is 10 mm below. The support B is 10 mm below the support A. So if the A is the left hand side support, B is the right hand side support. If the right hand side support is below the left hand side support, the delta will be positive. In the first video we are already discussed about the sign conventions. So if the right hand side support is below the left hand side support, the delta is taken as plus 10 mm. Here the right hand side is B and the left hand side is A. So here B is below the support A. Therefore the value of delta is plus 10 mm. The support of the settlement 10 mm is converted into meter. Therefore 0.01 meter. Also EA is given as 4000 kN meter square. Then in this problem, M of AB value is minus 106.67. So substitute the value. then 2 into EI. EI for the span AB is given as 2 EI. Therefore 2 into 4000, EI value 4000 by L. L is equal to 8. Then into theta A. Theta is equal to 0. Therefore theta A, substitute theta A equal to 0 plus theta B minus 3 into delta value is 0.01 plus 0.01 by length 8. Then substituting, calculating these values, we get MAB is equal to minus 106.67 plus 2000 theta B minus 7.5. That is, so we get MAB is equal to 2000 theta B minus 114.17. This is our equation number 1. Similarly, consider span BA. Slope deflection equation equal to M of BA plus 2 EI by L into theta A plus theta B minus 3 delta by L. Then substitute the value of M of BA and EI. Also substitute the value of delta. Therefore, we get M of BA equal to 106.67. Then here also EI is 2 EI. Then substitute 2 into 4000 by 8. Then into 2 theta B minus 3 into 0.01 by 8. Then by calculating, we get MBA is equal to 4000 theta B plus 99.17. This is our second equation. Next, consider span BC. For span BC, we have the slope deflection equation. MBC is equal to M of BC plus 2 EI by L into 2 theta B plus theta C minus 3 delta by L. Then here we know the value of M of BC. Then EI for span BC, EI is EI. Then the value of delta. So when we consider span BC, this is support B and this is support C. So when we consider span BC, the support B is 10 mm below the support C. Only the support B is settled, sink by 10 mm. The C and the support A is at the same level. Only the support B is sink by 10 mm. Therefore, here also the support B is below the support C. So here B support is the left hand side support and C is the right hand side support. If the left hand side support is below the right hand side support, the value of delta is taken as negative. That is, here the value of delta is minus 10 mm. That is the sign convention. If the left hand side support is below the right hand side support, delta is taken as negative. Here B is the left hand side support and C is the right hand side support. So here B is 10 mm below the C. So the value of delta is minus 10 mm. Minus 10 mm converted into meter. That is minus 0.01 meter. The value of EA is 4000 kilonewton meter square. So substitute all the values. We get M of BC is minus 40 plus 2 into EI. The value of EI is 4000 kilonewton meter square. Length of the span is 4 meter into 2 theta B plus theta C minus 3 delta. Delta here also negative, minus 0.01 by 4. In equation we have already a negative here. In the value of delta also there is a negative. So by calculating this value, we get minus 40 plus 4000 theta B plus 2000 theta C plus 15. Here theta C is not a C. Here the support C is not a fixed rank support. Therefore, they have the value of theta C. The unknown value theta C. Theta C is here not equal to 0. Okay. So we get MBC equal to minus 25 plus 4000 theta B plus 2000 theta C. This is our third equation. Then fourth one, MCB is equal to M of CB plus 2 EI by L into theta B plus 2 theta C minus 3 delta by L. The value of M of CB is 40, EI is EI and value is 4000 and length of the span is 4 meter into theta B plus 2 theta C minus 3 delta by L. Here also the delta equal to minus 0.01 meter. For span BC, when we consider span BC, the value of delta for calculating slope deflection equation will be minus negative. That is for similar for span for MBC and MCB, the value is delta. MBC means this is the member MBC, moment along the member BC. MCB means the member along the member CB. The support will be the same, B and C supported. So the value of delta is same for MBC and MCB, minus 0.01 meter. Similarly, in the first case, for span AB, the value of delta is plus 0.01 meter for MAB and MBA. So we get the value of MCB is equal to 55 plus 2000 theta B plus 4000 theta C. So this is our fourth equation. So we get four equations in which there is two unknowns, theta B and theta C, both are unknowns. So we need minimum two equations to find these unknowns. So our next step is the joint equilibrium equations. So consider the joint sigma B. We know that sigma MB equal to 0. Sigma MB equal to 0 means MBA plus MBC equal to 0, since there is two members on the joint B. Then substitute the value of MBA and MBC. We get 4000 theta B plus 99.17 minus 25 plus 4000 theta B plus 2000 theta C equal to 0. That is 8000 theta B plus 2000 theta C equal to minus 74.17. Next, similarly, we know that sigma MC equal to 0, since the C support is a roller or hinged end. If the support is a roller or hinged end, we know that the moment value at that support will be 0. Then substitute the sigma MC equal to 0, that is the moment along the support C equal to 0. That means MCB is equal to, in joint C there is a roller support, the moment at this support MC is equal to 0. MC equal to 0 means only one member acting, that is MCB. Therefore the MCB is equal to 0. Then substitute the value of MCB from the previous step. We get 55 plus 2000 theta B plus 4000 theta C equal to 0. So this is our second equation, 2000 theta B plus 4000 theta C equal to minus 55. Then we get two equations and we have two equations and two unknowns. Then by using calculators we can solve these equations A and B. Then by solving we get the value of theta B is equal to minus 6.667 into 10 raised to minus 3 and theta C equal to minus 0.0104. The next step is, in slope deflection equation we already write moment in terms of unknowns. So we get the values of unknowns. So substitute these values of unknowns in the slope deflection equation, then we get the final moments. So next step is the final moments. So substitute the value of theta B equal to minus 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 3 and theta C equal to minus 0.0104 in slope deflection equation, that is in the step 2. So we get MAB is equal to 2000 theta B minus 114.17. Then substitute the value of theta B is equal to minus 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 3. Therefore MAB is equal to minus 127.5 kilonewton meter. Similarly, MBA is equal to 4000 theta B plus 99.17. When we substitute theta B equal to minus 6.61 into 10 raised to minus 3, we get MBA is equal to 72.49 kilonewton meter. Similarly, MBC equal to minus 25 plus 4000 theta B plus 2000 theta C. By substituting the value of theta B and theta C, we get MBC equal to minus 72.49 kilonewton meter. Similarly, MCB is equal to 55 plus 2000 theta B plus 4000 theta C. By substituting the value of theta B and theta C, we get MCB is equal to 0. So here MBA and MBC is a moment along the support joint. So sigma MB equal to, that is MBA plus MBC equal to 0. That is here 72.49 and here minus 72.49. Therefore we get the MBA plus MBC is equal to 0. Similarly for the support C is a roller support, hence the moment along the members MCB is also 0. So next step is the bending moment diagram. So free moment diagram in AB. In the span AB there is a UDL of 20 kilonewton per meter is acting. Therefore the bending moment due to the external load will be a parabola and the maximum ordinate will be at the center and its value is WL square by 8. So by substituting the value of W and L, we'll get the 160 kilonewton meter. Then this is the bending moment diagram due to the external load, that is free moment diagram. Similarly, in span BC there is a central concentrated load of 80 kilonewton is acting. Therefore, due to the central load acting, the bending moment diagram will be a triangle and the maximum ordinate will be under the load and with a value of WL by 4. Then substituting the value of W as 80 and L as 4, we get moment maximum ordinate of moment is equal to 80 kilonewton meter under the load. So this is our free moment diagrams. Then draw bending moment diagram. That is, first draw the baseline, that is, and mark all supports and dimensions, length of spans. Then first draw the end span moment. So for a span AB, where the moment is 71.425 minus 71.425. Minus 71.425 means the AB member is rotating anti-clockwise direction. So we get the value on the above side of this baseline. So mark minus 127.5. Then for span B, consider joint B. The BA, MBA is equal to positive value 72.49. MBA is equal to a positive value, that is clockwise direction. So rotate BA member in the clockwise direction. So also we get the value in the above baseline. When we consider MBC minus 72.49. So rotate the member BC in the anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction rotate, we get also 72.49 in the top portion, that is above the baseline. Similarly, consider C, MCB equal to 0. The value of MCB equal to 0. Then join these end moments. So we get the end span moment like this. Then consider the bending moment due to the external loads. In span AB there is a UDL, hence the bending moment diagram will be a parabola with a maximum ordinate at the center and its value is WL square by 8, 160 kN meter. Similarly, span BC, there is a UDL is acting, therefore the shape of the bending moment diagram will be a triangle and the maximum ordinate will be under the load and its value is 80 kN meter. So this is the net bending moment diagram. Then mark all the portions, net portions. So and also mark the positive and negative sign. So this is our negative moments, that is end span moment. Then consider these as reference line. The portion below the member will be negative and the portion above this line will be positive. So mark a positive and negative sign. In this blank portion there is a no net moment, that is the positive moment and negative moment will be cancelled. Here also the positive and negative moment of this triangle and negative moment of this end moment will be balanced, neutralized. So here there is no moment. Only this shaded portion have moment values with negative and positive. Okay, this is the fourth problem. Thank you.